Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your earbuds, HONOR Earbuds X6 from your Android device. You have to start by open settings and then go to connected devices. Now click the settings icon near to your earbuds. And right here at the right side we have a button which is called disconnect, so we need to tap on it. But if you want to totally remove your earbuds from your phone, not just stop Bluetooth connection, you need to unpair your earbuds, so then click the forget. So now let me disconnect it, and as you can see I stopped Bluetooth connection with these earbuds, but left it at the device list. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!